Come on, I know you guys are hiding in there.
Harry, we were all sleeping.
Take your nap later. I got Cleo coming over in 10 minutes, and I want this place shipshape. I got an important question to ask my girl, and I want this place shining. Right on time, fair maiden. Your lunch awaits within.
Wow, what's the big deal, Riff-Raff? All this attention? All cleaned up around here? I hardly recognize the place.
All for you, my queen.
What gives? This is too much.
Well, what it is, Cleo, is that I want you to be my steady girl.
Well, I don't know, Riff-Raff. I like my freedom.
I know, but I need to know you'll be true to me.
Well, that means no other girls for you, too.
You got it. Scout's honor.
Okay, you sweet-talking rascal. Steady it is.
Yahoo! I'm the happiest cat in town.
I really gotta run. I'll see you later. Steady, boyfriend.
I feel real good now that I made my commitment to Cleo.
Hey, Riff, you gonna see the new girl in the neighborhood? She just moved in and,
She's neat and sweet, and she's got the beat, right down to her pretty feet.
She's wowie-zowie.
Not for me, guys. I am spoken for. I am now going steady with Cleo.
Anybody home?
On the other hand, what Cleo doesn't know won't hurt her. Hello there.
I'm Roxy, and I'm new in the neighborhood.
I'm Riff-Raff, the local welcome wagon. Come in and stay for a week or two. Now, come with me to the Casbah.
Can you believe that? Right after he asked Cleo to go steady.
Riff-Raff is a real bad cat.
So make yourself at home. I'll find you something to eat. I hope.
Great, I'm starving.
Hungry, of course. I was just sending my associates out to catch dinner. Won't you join me for an evening in paradise?
How could I turn down such an offer? That is, unless you were expecting another date.
Yeah. What about...
Great idea. More food, fellas. I'll make it worth your while. Now scram, and don't spare the horses. So, let's get acquainted.
Slow down, Romeo. First, we eat.
All right. The guys should be back soon.
May as well split up and get this over with. I'll get the milk.
I'll get the fish, a great big dish.
I'll get Roxy.
Better get dessert, Mungo.
That's funny. I thought I'd be seeing my steady Riff-Raff tonight.
Hey, come back. Give me my milk back. Stop, you creep.
Looks like Riff-Raff has the troops out gathering the goods.
Hey, you thief! I'll get you anyway. Bring those back here.
Wordsworth has enough fish to feed an army. This is too much. I've got to check out what's going on with my steady. Mungo, my sweet, what a nice surprise. Did Riff-Raff send you over with these treats for me?
Gee, no, Cleo. These are for Roxy and Riff-Raff's dinner. I'm supposed to keep it quiet.
Roxy, eh? And, just who is Roxy? A sick relative?
Ah, a bit of milk before the main course, my pet? Serve, Hector.
This is humiliating.
What's that?
I said it's getting late. Can I go now?
Surely you jest. We've barely begun our sumptuous supper. Here's a tip.
I've had it with Riff-Raff. We're suckers to wait on him and that Roxy.
Yeah, Riff-Raff's back. We've been had and it's making me mad.
I think Riff-Raff wants you, Wordsworth. It's Cleo.
Shh. Can you believe the guy ain't nice? He's sending it back. Wants more spice. Oh, hi, Clint.
Shh. So, he wants a little more spice, does he? How about a little pepper? There, that should spice up his meal.
Yow! Water! Water!
Water! Yeah! I think they want water. This white vinegar looks like water.
Clint, give me water! Vinegar!
What kind of gag is this?
Here, Mungo, for the next course, with Tabasco sauce.
Good.
Wow! What gives with this food? I can take a joke as well as anyone, lover boy. But this menu is not funny.
Listen, baby, I don't know what gives, but don't leave. The night is young.
Well, I don't know. Maybe this is the way you treat all the girls.
But I don't have a lot of girls. There's only you. How about a little catnip to get us back in the mood? Catnip!
They want catnip? We'll give them catnip. Hello, young lovers. Here's your catnip. Enjoy.
Shoot! Shoot!
Needs more pepper. I'll fix it.
Hey! Hector, what gives? That's Hector. Then who? Yikes! Cleo! Achoo!
Gesundheit. And as for you, vamp you.
Hold it. Who are you to come waltzing in here and break up me and my new boyfriend?
Correction. My old boyfriend and former steady.
Ouch!
This is a private fight. Wait outside, boys.
Wait a minute. You mean Riff-Raff is two-timing you?
Yeah. Now put up your dukes. I'll drop you like a bad habit.
Hold it, honey. I'm not the enemy. I never knew.
You mean Riff-Raff never told you?
Never. Honest.
I'll take your word for it. And he'll pay for this. No more steady.
Same goes for me. I got a great idea.
Wow, they're fighting over me. I'm flattered. Listen, girls, no need to fight over me.
You're right, Riff-Raff, darling.
Right. Anyone can make a stupid mistake.
Ow! Hey, where are you two going?
Wouldn't you like to know?
All right, let's go.
Fine and dandy like sugar candy. We're always handy.
Let's go eat.
Girls, who can figure a